I'm on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashina Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring affordable hair, makeup, pretty much everything on a budget. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's get right into this video. Now, the unit on my head was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. I have done a collaboration with them before, so do check that video out. I'll have that listed down below. I love their company. I love everything about it. Their hair is really good quality. Yeah, they're just a really good human hair company to buy from. So let's jump right into this unit. The unit on my head, as I said before, was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair, and it is their 150% density chocolate brown straight wig in the length 22. Obviously there's no stock car because this is a human hair wig. It is a 4x4 frontal. I did not show inside of the unit, but if you know what a 4x4 frontal is, basically this amount of parting space, so you can part it wherever just by a 4x4. So not a whole lot of lace to cut off, just a little bit. And I like 4x4 frontal because there are I like 4x4 frontals because if you are a beginner, it is really good to start off with 4x4. You don't have a whole lot of lace to cut off. It's easy to secure on your head. You do not have to glue it down if you don't want to. This unit is not glued down and it sits seamlessly. Now, the color in the parting space, that's what it came with. It has like this kind of bald cap underneath, just a little bit, and it's a light brown, and it's a bit transparent too. So if you have a darker brown cap underneath, that will reflect through, and it will look even more natural and even more seamlessly. I love the color on this unit and the density. Like, I am kind of shocked that it's 150 because it feels a little bit more fuller than 150, to be honest with you. And it is just really nice. When I cut the lace off of it, I got minimal shedding. Like, I haven't received any shedding as I would like. Compared to what I've received in the past, I have not received any excess amount of shedding. But then again, this is a straight unit. I don't think you will tangle or shed on you, honestly, because it's a straight hair human unit. If it's a curly hair, then I would expect that more. And Beauty Forever Hair, honestly, they're actually good quality for the price range that it is. They do have sales currently going on, and if you check the description box down below, I will have a link down to in the description box of this unit, where to purchase it, to get even a coupon code to get like a few dollars off. I will also have like their Instagram and stuff like that listed down below, so do check them out. So let me show you what the hair looks like from all different angles. So this is all the hair to the front. Beautiful. It is very full, very thick. She came out of the packet looking like this. I just washed it and then kind of like ran my flat iron through it, and that was it. So let me show you what she looks like from the right side. So let me move my chair back, but this is what the unit looks like from the right side. This is what she looks like from the left side, and this is all the hair to the back. 22 inches, honestly, that is a whole, well, for me, because I am 5'3", it is very, well, it's not very long. It is pretty long. It's at waist length for me for 22 inches. So take that as what you want it. In the box, obviously, this is the Beauty Forever box. I forgot to show the box. This is what it comes in. This is what their company thing look like. So if you're looking them up on Instagram, this is what will show up for their Instagram picture. And inside the box, I received a cap, a stocking cap. These brown ones. I always like when companies send me these, because you never, it's never too much to have extra cap. That's just my opinion. I don't know about anybody else, but I love having extra cap. And they sent me this headband. You don't need to wear a headband with this wig, but if you want to, you can. I just gonna add this to my collection. It's actually a nice little red and black color. Like, I hardly wear red and black like that, so, and it's more like a deep burgundy and black, so that's that. Again, this is what the box looked like, came package looking like. So yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about this unit. I did receive this unit a while back, and I'm just like getting it to actually finish filming this video and everything because I've been super busy. And that's another thing, like, they're very when they contacted me to do this video, shipping was really quick. I don't know if shipping for you was gonna be quick, but shipping to me was really quick. I believe I got this in less than 5 days, kid you not. So shipping is extremely fast, and they do reply back to you at a very reasonable manner. I know that's been an issue for some people, that have not been able to communicate with vendors that they're purchasing from, but they're pretty good at that also. Do let me know what you guys think of this unit. I love the color on it. I love how it's layered in the front. It's really nice. So when you put all the hair to the back, it has that really nice feathering effect layering down, so you don't have to worry about that for yourself. It is very beautiful. The density, as I said before, it is really good amount of density for the price that you're paying for this unit. Again, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section down below. I will reply to all your comments, and if I haven't seen it, then I normally kind of go through another time after that and check, so I will eventually reply to your comments. But if you can't get me on Facebook, don't forget to subscribe to me follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, and if you send me a DM there, then I will more than likely be able to message you back. If you have any questions or concern about this unit, leave them down below. Don't forget to check the description box for everything about this hair from Beauty Forever. She is beautiful, and not only beautiful but very affordable. Again, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. They're all in the description box down below, because I know you can't remember all of those, so I'll link them all down in the description box below for you. I am coming out with content. I know I am always like slagging behind, but I do have school and I have a whole lot of stuff going on, and it's very hard to keep up at times. So I do apologize when I do not get uploading stuff when I should. I apologize for that. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for joining us. Welcome. Please follow me. Please turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I do upload. And until next time, this is your girl Tashina Beauty. Thank you for rocking with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.